It's a 2018 Buick Encore. Your journey to the urban jungle awaits, and this SUV is well suited for the adventure. It comes with great features you love: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, driver and passenger front seat mounted and rear side impact airbags, manual tilting steering column, power heated mirrors, external memory control, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push button start proximity key, and automatic transmission. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.